What's up, bud? It's Rob. This is Apparel Success. And in this video here, I'm gonna be packing orders for my clothing brand and just talking to you about how exactly I run my clothing brand, sharing advice with you on how to grow a clothing brand while packing orders for my own brand. Let's do it. This video is sponsored by my buds over at Brand Crowd, and if you need designs made for your clothing brand, then I seriously recommend you check them out. They have a huge library of already professionally designed logos that you can customize. You can add your own fonts, your own layouts to it. All of this is free to try. Then if you decide that you like the logo that you've made, you can decide to purchase it, remove it from the marketplace so that it's yours. If you're interested, follow the link in the description because it'll give you a huge discount. So here are the orders that I need to pack for my clothing brand. And as you can see, they all came in within the last couple of days. And I have this thing in place here because behind that are all the names of everybody that ordered, and I just can't show you that. These are the orders, all the unfulfilled orders that I need to be packing, and so that's what I'm gonna be packing for you here today. Basically, the first order that I have here is for a burgundy crest hoodie. And I know that these are right here. These are the XLs. So if I get an order for one hoodie, I'll put it inside of a poly mailer and I'll fold it like this, one sleeve over there, with the hood tucked in first. And then I'm gonna fold this way. I'm gonna fold this way. It makes this nice straight line here. And then I'm just gonna fold like that. And this fits basically perfectly snug inside of one of these poly mailers here. I get these poly mailers at Sticker Mule. They're not paying me to say that. They're custom poly mailers, really, really good. So this is what it looks like inside of one of the poly mailers. We used to send these out inside of boxes when we first started, and then we realized that we were saving money when we used poly mailers because the shipping wasn't as expensive, and it just kept it nice and tighter, and the branding on these is actually sick. So that's what I use for one hoodie. I'm just gonna throw these two stickers in there, and that's the first order packed here. I'm gonna do all the labels at the end all at once because I feel that's just more efficient the way that I do it, but I know that some people like to put their labels on as they're going. It doesn't really matter. The next order that I have to pack is for a large black crest hoodie, which is right here. And somebody was asking me in an email recently, why don't I make more videos on the subject of the financial side of running a clothing brand? And to be honest, it's because my strengths are in the marketing and branding side. When it comes to numbers, I'm absolutely crap at it. And I think that his main concern actually was that there are so many entrepreneurs on YouTube, on podcast right now. They're trying to sell you on the lifestyle of being an entrepreneur without actually getting results themselves and with just kind of, you know, pretending to be successful or pretending to have any results. The whole point of this channel here is to really do the opposite. It's not as glamorous as you'd think where, you know, you're flying around on jets all the time and just partying and living that type of lifestyle. The reality of it is that you're working really hard all the time. You're constantly thinking of new ways to market your clothing brand. You're constantly thinking of new ideas. And that's essentially what my life consists of at the moment. I'm trying to talk to those of you who want to see what it's really like to run a clothing brand, what it's really like to run a business, and hopefully you can get a glimpse of that watching these videos and understand what it really takes, some of the real mindsets and the real strategies involved at actually getting real life results. So for this order, it's literally just this hoodie here, and I'm gonna fold it just like the other one here, which is the two arms across. Then I'm gonna fold the side down the middle, the other side down the middle, and then a big fold right down the middle. And once again, this is gonna go inside of a poly mailer here. So there we go, the hoodie's inside of the package here, and I'm just gonna add these stickers inside of here. And that is the third order that I have to pack of 18 orders that I have to send out from the last couple days here. Boom. All right, so for this next order here, I have a burgundy K-Bud toque, I've got a black trucker hat, and I've got an olive barnyard hoodie. And so this is kind of an interesting order to pack because there's a hat, there's a hoodie, and there's a toque, and it kind of fits weird, but I'm going to fit these inside of this box here, which is our smallest box. So normally I'd put the hoodie in like this, but because I need to fit the hat in, I'm gonna put it in like this. And I'm gonna show you exactly what it all looks like once it's all in here. Then I'm gonna take this hat and I'm gonna put it in sideways. I know you're probably wondering what the hell is going on inside of this box, but I'm gonna show you once it's done here, so be patient. And then last thing is the toque. And so the toque goes on top just like that. And then I got my two stickers. And so let me show you what I've done here. So this is what it'll look like when they open up the box. And essentially the toque's on top and I've got the hoodie on its side inside like this. I stick the hat in on its side like that so that it doesn't get damaged. and then I put the toque on top just like this. I know that this might be something that some of you guys have already mastered, but for those of you who are wondering how exactly you go about folding some of these items and making it work, this is a really good way to make a hoodie and a hat fit inside of a small box. That will be order number 4 of 18 that I have to do here. So I'm gonna speed through a whole bunch of orders here, and I'll meet you back once it's all done. So all 18 orders are packed now, and I'm just gonna be printing out the labels and putting them all onto these orders here. Let me know what you thought about this style of video. I realize it was all over the place, but I'd love to hear your opinions on it in the comments. And check out the teaser for my new clothing brand marketing course that's coming out in April 2020. It's really sick. You can head over to clothingbrandmarketing.com to see the teaser for it, to join the waitlist. Otherwise, if you've made it to this point in the video, I want to tell you about the closed Facebook group for apparel success. There's a link in the description below. Follow the link, join us in the group. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.